Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable protect battery to extend the lifespan of your battery on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Then we go down and tap on battery. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on more battery settings. In here, you want to go down to the bottom and tap on protect battery. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, or tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now set that to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.